how I can become the most extraordinary person in the world እንዴት ነው በአለም 1% ከሚባሉ ሰዎች ልሆን ምችለው ብዬ ማይንድን ስጠይቀው ወይም ብሬንን I'm telling you the truth everybody I wasn't read any type of book and I wasn't listen any type of extraordinary person it is the original idea come up of my brain okay so በራሴ ክሬት ሳረገው ምን መጣልኝ መሰላችሁ በወርልድ ውስጥ አሸናፊ ወይም ዊነር ለመሆን በመጀመሪያ knowledge ያስፈልጋል okay knowledge what is knowledge knowledge means have to intelligent wisdom skill okay ከራስ ውስጥ knowledge wisdom intelligent skill ሲኖር you are the winner bro the money call you or you can change the money for your knowledge because you are diamond አንተ አሁን እንግዲህ knowledge skill wisdom intelligent brilliant man ከሆንክ እነዚህ ካሉህ ዕውቀትን ወደ ገንዘብ መቀየር ትችላለህ ማለት ነው okay because you are unique because you are problem solver አንተ በጣም problem solver ስለሆን ማለት problem solve ማድረግ ስለምችል so this knowledge the ability to bring of money ይህ skill ይህ wisdom ይህ ጥበብ money ያመጣልሃል when you have to the money power knock your door እንግዲህ money ኖርህ ማለት example you are a brainer I don't wanna give example for you if me multi billionaire እኔ ለምሳሌ multi billionaire ብሆን power knock my door power በሬን ይቆፈቁፈዋል because I am multi billionaire yeah everybody listen carefully I don't want to calling me millionaire billionaire I want to attach my brand multi billionaire because I wish be like that so አሁን እዚህ ጋር money ኖር ማለት power ተንደፍድፎ ይመጣል when you have to money chasing of the power when you have to power creates two influencer power creates two or purchasing the world እንግዲህ power ኖር ማለት you can buy the world bro the world is handled on your hand look what have done in America the last week እንግዲህ አንድ ሰው power ሲኖረው you are finding the corner of the world አንድ ሰው power ኖሮ ማለት